In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to save Canva image on computer. So first of all, select the project which image you want to save, and then here we need to click on share from the top right corner. Once we click on it, then click on download from here, and now we need to adjust some settings to download our image. First of all, we need to select our file type. If you have your video, then we need to select MP4 video format from here. If you want to download an image, then select PNG or JPG, or you can even select PDF file from here as well. So I want to go with JPG format, so that's why I need to select it from here. You can also adjust the size, quality and file size. If you want to limit your file size, then check mark this option and set the file size you want to limit it to, but I don't want to do all of these things. If you want to save your preferences, then check mark this option and hit download, and then it will start downloading your file in your downloads folder. If I open its folder, you can see the image has been successfully downloaded on my computer. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.